this is the Nefarious Kuriboh reporting from the Nefarious Head. It's very nefarious. Today I'm going to show you guys how to breed. Let's start off with pigs. 2 pigs, right? Seems easy enough. Actually, it isn't. You need carrots. Pig plus carrot plus pig plus carrot equals big pig parents. I'll demonstrate this. Now you see? There. See? Baby pig. Nah, I won't use noodles. Now for cows, what the, oh, for crying out loud. So apparently one of the cows somehow escaped. They can do that. So I'm just going to spawn another cow. So wheat plus cow equals baby cow and parents. Again, I'm going to demonstrate for you guys. There we go. Baby cow. For chickens, you can use any seed. Any at all. Seeds plus chicken plus seeds plus chicken equals baby chicken and parents. Again, I'm going to demonstrate. Get away. Leave me alone, would you? For crying out loud. I cannot believe I'm making more chickens. They're pure evil. Now, for the horses can be very tough. You'll need golden carrots or a golden apple. A golden apple might technically be more easy to get, but it's a waste because they're enchanted. Again, we'll demonstrate. What? Oh yeah, they have to be tamed. So it won't work with just wild horses. It needs to be a baby. The baby horse can only be spawned through the uses of a 2 tamed horse, which means you need to tame them. Now, for my next video, I'll be doing the Chickapocalypse. You might think the chickens are fine. Behold. Oh yeah, that chicken isn't evil. Need to switch it off peaceful to easy. And watch. See? The chicken is attacking the villager. That is your evil chicken. That's an evil chicken. So, guess this is it. Nefarious Kuriboh signing off. Can't wait to start doing the Chickapocalypse. And guess we're signing off now. Wish the bats would spawn and breed.